Hey guys, today I'm working on installing a pool at my house. As you can see behind me, I have some excavation already done. Now I'm getting pretty close to my final grade, so I need to know what elevation that grade is going to be. So I was trying to get my grade with a regular laser level that you would use inside your home for general projects, but it just would not work good enough. I couldn't see it during the day. This is out. This is from Vevor. This is a rotary laser level that is more or less designed more heavy duty for projects like this, and not just your everyday, hanging a picture or hanging tile or something type laser. This is a rotary self-leveling laser. So what you would do is put this off, and then you get a much better view. It is a much stronger laser on this. And also what you get with this is a receiver. So you would set this up to your determined height, or you can use, you can measure out on a stick. And let's say the way I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna place that rotary laser on top of that deck over there. And then I want a 7-inch step down off the deck. And then from the bottom trim cap of my pool to grade level, 50 3/4 inches. So I'm gonna measure that out on a stick, attach this receiver, and then when I have the rotary level on and the receiver on and I go up or down, this is gonna beep and let me know where exactly that measurement is. So that's gonna help me out a lot to grade out this base here for the pool. So let's take a look at what we get in the box. So looking at the contents of the box, obviously we get the rotary level. Now I'm gonna have to go through and figure out what all of these are, but there's multiple different settings here that I can pick. So we get the rotary receiver, comes with a battery. Let's see if it'll turn on. Oh yeah, there we go. So you can see the line here, that's gonna be your level line. Comes across, and you can see here, comes right across, and from the top of this to the line is 36 millimeters or 1 5/12 of an inch. And then this clamp, you can either have it on either, no, you can only have it on one side. And then that clamp opens up, so you can use any stick you want to put in there, and it opens up pretty wide. We have a remote. Again, I'm gonna have to look at selectors here. We have a charger, and that's gonna be for the rotary level. You can see there, that goes in, and there's a built-in battery. Wonder if there's any power in this. Oh yeah, I have a power light. I'm gonna have to look at the instructions to see how to set that up. We also have some glasses here which help you see the laser in light conditions. This here, you could put this onto a board. It just helps you see the light better. So if I was to step back and hold this up, it would reflect off of here a lot nicer than just off of a regular object. Get a couple of keys for the box itself, although somebody could just walk away with the whole box. And then a strap for the box itself if you wanted to wear it like a purse. Okay, so that's the contents. Okay, so now for me, for setting up this laser, it probably says it in the manual. Doesn't say it on here. It probably does say it in the manual, but I want to know my height from deck height to laser height. So I'm just going to use the receiver. So I'm going to turn the laser on, and I got to wait a second till I see it start spinning. Okay, it started spinning. Okay, now I'm going to put this laser, or this receiver on, and I'm going to find the laser. There it is. Okay, it's saying down. Okay, now I'm just gonna put my measuring tape beside it. Oh, now it's saying down. So right there, I'm about 6 1/8. So I need to take that measurement into account when I do my actual stick to mount this. I need to measure down 6 1/8, and then that way I get to my 0 level. And then from there moving forward, I'm gonna do my deductions for my 7-inch step, and then my 50 3/4 inches for the pool cap to the base. Okay, now I have the rotary level on the deck, and I have my stick set up. Not sure how well it's gonna show outside. Not that great, but you can see I have my measurements on here. Hold on, let me turn, so there we go. Now you can see me. So you can see on here I have my measurements. So I have my 50 3/4, which is the bottom of the pool to the top of the capping, which I want my deck boards to slide just under. And then I'm gonna have my 7 inches, and I have my 6 1/8 for the rotary level. So now when I bring this out, now I already have a peg in the ground where I've already determined where the base of the pool should be at ground level. So we're gonna go over there and check and see if this is relatively close to what I had for a measurement previously. Okay, and, oh, I gotta turn this on. Yeah, okay, coming. Gotta go up just a bit. I would say I'm about half an inch off of where I had my previous measurement. So this is perfect. This is gonna allow me to grade this out. Okay, now let's see currently where I'm at for grade. So I've got the laser over in that direction. Ooh, and I'm not even close. Oh, right there. Okay, that's good news. Up a little bit. Right there is my bottom of pool. Ooh, and this stuff's mucky. I've got my grade point right there. So next for me is what I'm gonna do is continue shaving away the ground over here. And I need to install a retaining wall. And then that way I retain that hill back, and my deck's gonna come right up over top of that retaining wall. So I don't need the retaining wall to be very pretty, but it just needs to retain that dirt. So I'm gonna work on that now. Okay, I've been digging for a little while now, so let's check the grade. Okay, I'm still a little high there. Oh, okay, I gotta go down here. Okay, as you can see there, if I push into the dirt, actually, let's find a lower spot. Okay, there. I have to come up. Okay, so I am about perfect right there. So right about here, I'm actually perfect. I'm wondering how far this will go. So let's pan the camera over out here in the field. Let's go for a walk and see how far I can get this. Oh, there we go. Wow. I'm at my tree edge, so I can't really go. Oh, the trees are starting to block it now. That's a good distance, so this goes really far. What a neat tool. This is amazing. This is gonna help out so much with my projects moving forward. Okay, that's gonna wrap it up for the Vevor self-leveling rotary laser. So this has become so handy for this project, especially to help me get my grade. When I go to lay out my deck, it's going to be helpful to maintain that level across a large span. So very, very good tool. Highly recommend it. Check out their website. They have so many different things. Let's get this laser going one more time. Look at that. Right within the margin. Highly recommend this rotary self-leveling laser. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll leave links in the description for this and their website. Their website's amazing. Check them out. And as always, have a great day. Thanks. Bye.